This account generates close to $5,000 per month in passive income. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a similar channel using AI technology. And don't worry, all the tools I'm going to show you are totally for free, from writing the script to creating visuals and even adding voiceovers. So if you're interested in creating passive income, ensure you watch the video up to the end because I'm going to include a bonus tip. And let's get straight into the video. So I discovered this channel as I was doing my morning walks because I like to listen to motivational content. But when I came to look at the analytics, you can get them on Social Blade. You can see that this channel is making close to $5,000 per month. And if you look at the actual channel itself, you can see this video they uploaded just one day ago already has 13,000 views. If you look at a bit closer in the analytics, you can see that in the last 30 days, they have received over 1.2 million views and they have uploaded 5 videos. So I want to show you how to create a similar channel. So the first thing we're going to do is to generate our script. So we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to enter in our prompt here. Give me 5 great motivational speeches with between 100 to 150 characters and who they are from for self-affirmation. Let's enter that. So if I look at what it has given us here, I think I can go with this second one here. It says that you believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. That would make for really great self-affirmation. The next thing we're going to do is to generate a voiceover for this. So we're going to go to 11 labs. So you can use 11 labs for free, up to 10,000 characters per month. So we're going to go to the speech synthesis here, and then we're going to look for a voice. So if you click on this arrow here, you're going to have many voices to choose from. And by the way, if you're not familiar with 11 labs, I'm also going to leave a link for a detailed video in the description down below. So you're going to choose one of these voices here. Let's listen to this one.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Let's listen to another one here.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Okay, I think I prefer this one. We can use this one. And then you can play around with the voice settings here. But I think I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then we're going to come to this text area here. And we're going to paste in our quote, the one we got from ChatGPT. So now we want to create pauses inside of our voiceover so that when people are listening, it can sound really good. We can look at this and see where we can add in the pauses. So how to add pauses is just to add in a dash. So if you want a longer pause, you just put in more dashes. So we have believe in yourself, we put a dash there, and all that you are. So we can have 2 dashes here. And then here we can have maybe around 3 or 4, and we can look at know that there is something inside you. We can have 2 dashes there. Okay, so I think that is okay. We can click on generate this.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
Okay, so we can leave it as that. Notice also here that we have used 124 characters. So for each generation, you can have up to 5,000 characters. So that is something to keep in mind. So we're going to download this. So now we have our script, we have our voiceover. The next thing we want to look for is some music to put over this. So we're going to go to the YouTube audio library and we're going to look for some music to use for this. So you can also use Epidemic Sound or Atlas, but for those ones you have to pay for them. Also be very careful with music on YouTube. Ensure that you're only using sounds that you have rights to use. So in the audio library, we're going to look for sounds where attribution is not required, and then we're going to look for cinematic and inspirational. So let's see what we can use. Let's listen to some here. Let's listen to this one. I think that one sounds nice. We can use that one. So I'm going to download this one. If you're enjoying the video, remember to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Now that we have our voiceover and we also have some music, we're now going to go and create the visuals. So we're going to go to Canva. So you can use Canva for free or you can use it on the paid version. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description down below for you to try out Canva Pro for free. So we're going to click on create a design and then we're going to look for a YouTube video. So we have our video template here. Next, we're going to search for some video clips that you're going to use in our video. So just come to elements and then you're going to search for some videos to use for that. So I can look for some running videos. Okay, so I think I can use this one as the first one. Okay, so I'm going to right click it and set it as the background. So something else that you can do here is to darken the video a bit more, especially if you want to add captions onto it, just like they did in the video I showed you. So to do that, just press R on your keyboard, and then this rectangle that appears, we're going to make it black. And then we're going to adjust the transparency, maybe up to there. And then we're going to have it go over the entire video. Okay, so you can see our video is a bit darker. If you want to make it a bit brighter, then you can reduce this transparency. Yeah, maybe until there. So that is going to be our first clip. Let's look for another one. Maybe we can have like 3 clips. So the next one can be this one. We can have it in the second page. We can do the same for this one. So this step is only if you want the videos to look more or less the same. Okay, let's find our third video. This one can be the third one. Let's do the same thing. Okay, now we have our 3 videos. So I'm going to add our voiceover and then I'm going to cut the clips to align to about a sentence of the voiceover. So let's upload our voiceover. So you can use upload here to upload your files, or you can directly go to where your files are and then you can just drag them into Canva. Canva is able to know that you want to upload them. So once they're uploaded, they're going to be in the audio section. So we're going to pull this one here. Okay, so this is our audio clip. Now we're going to adjust the video to the audio.
Believe in yourself and all that you are.
Okay, so we can have the first one until there. So you just right click it and then you click on split audio. And we are also going to split the video. Okay, now we go to the next part. So this one will delete this one. We are now on to the second clip. Let's play it from the start.
But believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that's greater than any obstacle.
Okay, then we're going to cut this second part here. So sometimes Canva can be a bit slow when you're doing this. So sometimes you could just download the visual and then you can add it in something else, maybe like CapCut or even Premiere Pro. So I'm just going to cut this here. Then we'll delete this one here so that we can have the last section. Okay, so this is the last section. So the next thing we're going to do is to add some music onto this. So this is our music. Just add it to the clips here. So once you've added in the music, when you right click it, you're going to have the options to adjust the track, to add in audio effects, to even do a beat sync. That is where you have the visuals aligned to a specific beat. Okay, and you can also reduce the volume. I think we could start by doing that so that we can hear our voiceover. We can have it maybe until there. So I'm just going to ensure that this is well aligned with the sound, and then I'm going to download it, then show you what that looks like.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
Okay, so I'm just going to pull it until here, just when we have our audio ending. Somewhere there, you can see that the music track has also reduced. Something else that you're going to do is to add in transitions. So I'm going to come to between this and just tap on that so that we can add some transitions. So there's different transitions that you can add. I'm going to use this one here, and then I'm going to click on apply between all pages. Okay, so you can see it has added it to the other page here. So let's play this. Okay, so Canva is being really slow, so I'm just going to download it as it is, then see what we need to adjust. Okay, so our download is complete now. Let's play it.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
Okay, so it's looking pretty good. Now the bonus tip here is that you can also add captions onto this. This will help the viewers to be more engaged. So to do that, we're going to use an app called CapCut. So CapCut can be used on the desktop, or you can use it on the browser. I'm going to use it on my desktop. So I've opened it and now I'm going to import the video here. Okay, so here is our video now. I'm going to drag it down here. Okay, then we're going to click it, come to text, click on auto captions, and then we're going to click on create. Okay, so we have our auto captions here. If I drag this here, you can see them on screen here. So what you're going to do is to change the font type, and we want it to be bold. Okay, so we're going to use that font. Then we're going to pull them up here, maybe up until there. You can also increase the font if you prefer. You can also change the color and even have some different styles here. Yeah, so you can see that one is yellow, but I want us to have it in white. Okay, so we can just play it now.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there there is something inside you.
Okay, so I think this is looking good now. Let's export this and look at our final video. And by the way, if you'd like a detailed video on how to use CapCut to add captions onto your videos, you can watch this video here. I'm also going to leave a link to the same in the description. So here's our video now. Let's play it.
Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle.
Yeah, and I think that was pretty good. So you can always continue to improve your videos, but I think this is a pretty good place to start. So I hope that was helpful. Subscribe if you haven't. In the meantime, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.